Welcome to Learn English Story Happily. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more beautiful stories. Potato. The potato, a versatile and beloved vegetable, can be boiled, mashed, fried, or baked, offering a comforting and delicious addition to a wide range of dishes. Peanut butter. Creamy or crunchy peanut butter is a delectable spread made from roasted peanuts, adding a nutty and satisfying flavor to snacks, sandwiches, and desserts. Onion. The onion, pungent and flavorful bulb, serves as a fundamental ingredient in countless cuisines around the world, lending its distinct taste and aroma to a diverse array of dishes. Grapes. Grapes, small and succulent, are nature's sweet gems, enjoyed as a wholesome snack or transformed into wines and juices, delivering a burst of flavor and essential nutrients. Pomegranate. The pomegranate, with its jewel-like seeds, encased in a vibrant red shell, offers a delightful blend of sweet and tangy flavors, making it a refreshing and nutritious treat that adds a pop of color to both culinary creations and beverages. Pear. The pear, delicate and juicy fruit, boasts a subtly sweet taste and smooth texture, making it a delightful addition to salads, desserts, or simply enjoyed on its own for a refreshing and wholesome snack. Thanks for watching.